So I welcome you all students for this session in prosthodontics. There are some controversial questions, prosthodontic questions that you people always face difficulties with. These specific set of 10 questions that we are posting on eMedico's app, please go through them. You'll find difficulties at first go, but after this I think you people can just watch this and can solve these questions without any problems. So here I go. The first question is for eMedico's app in prosthodontics is emergency retentive force for the maxillary complete denture is deep palate, soft palate, posterior palatal seal, the base of the tongue. Now there are different answers given to this question. Posterior in some textbooks, or not in textbook but in some of the MCQ books, it is given posterior palatal seal. In some it is given base of the tongue. Now if we think about this, if by books I go, by books, what is the emergency retentive force? What is an emergency for maxillary denture? The emergency for the maxillary denture is the lateral force, not the vertical, the lateral or the incisive force, like this. So the PPS creates a partial vacuum. Please note my words. PPS creates a partial vacuum between the denture base and the tissues, the soft palate tissues. It is normally passive. It is only activated. PPS is not activated at all times. It is only activated when there are some lateral forces or incising forces that the denture encounters. So if we go about this explanation, the posterior palatal seal wins the race. But if clinical point of view, if we think that you must have seen various videos, you must have encountered various patients that sometimes when the patient speaks, opens the mouth wide, when the patient sneezes, when the patient coughs, the denture, the maxillary denture comes down. As soon as it comes down, the base of the tongue comes into action, and it at the same point of time it takes the denture up into its place. So if we talk about clinical point of view, the base of the tongue wins the race. Now what is the right answer? If I have to go as a right answer, I will move ahead with the base of the tongue as the correct answer. So because see, in such questions it is basically you have to go along with what most of them are going in the same direction. Okay, so if I have to go along with it in such a question, emergency retentive force for maxillary complete denture is go for base of the tongue with heavy heart. I'm saying that base of the tongue is the right answer.